Why is factoring important for algebra polynomials? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces are all connected in a complicated way. Factoring helps break that puzzle into smaller, easier parts. When you work with algebra polynomials, factoring is like opening a box of building blocks. It takes a big, complex polynomial and splits it into simpler factors. This makes solving equations much easier because you can focus on each piece separately. For example, if you have a polynomial like x squared plus 5x plus 6, factoring turns it into two simpler parts, x plus 2 and x plus 3. When you multiply these back together, you get the original polynomial. This process is super helpful because it shows you what makes the polynomial tick. It's like understanding the ingredients in a recipe. Factoring is also the key to solving polynomial equations. The zero product property says if the product of two factors equals 0, then at least one of those factors must be 0. So, if you have a factored polynomial set equal to 0, you can just set each factor to 0 and find the solutions. This is much faster than trying to solve the original, complicated polynomial directly. Another reason factoring is important is that it simplifies expressions. When you factor a polynomial, you can reduce it to a form that's easier to add, subtract, or divide. This makes working with algebraic expressions less confusing and more straightforward. It's like cleaning up a messy room so you can find things more easily. Factoring also helps you see how polynomials are built. It reveals the smaller pieces that make up the whole. This understanding helps you grasp how different algebraic concepts connect. It's like learning how different parts of a machine work together. Plus, factoring prepares you for more advanced topics. Many algebra lessons, like graphing functions or solving inequalities, depend on your ability to factor. Without this skill, moving forward in math can be tough. It's a foundation that supports your entire algebra journey. In real life, factoring polynomials is used in fields like engineering and science. It helps model and solve problems involving rates, areas, and other measurements. So, mastering factoring isn't just about schoolwork, it's a tool used in many practical situations. Think of factoring as reversing the process of expanding a polynomial. If expanding x plus 2 times x plus 5 gives you x squared plus 7x plus 10, then factoring squared plus 7x plus 10 brings you back to those two binomials. This back and forth helps you understand how multiplication and addition work together in algebra. In short, factoring is a fundamental skill that makes working with polynomials easier and clearer. It helps you solve equations faster, understand the structure of algebraic expressions, and prepares you for more advanced math topics. It's like having a secret weapon to unlock the mysteries of algebra step by step.